Hello my friends, today I'm going to show you how to make your own all-natural body oil. To begin with, we need 60 milliliters of a neutral carrier oil such as sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil or rose oil, which I made on my own. Then we need some essential oils to make our oil smell heavenly. Last but not least, we need a bottle. The darker, the better. You can buy one, or you can use one of the bottles that you might already have. I am going to reuse one of these Lilac bottles because they have a dropper which makes the application less messy. So, let's get started. Add your base oil into the bottle. You can use one or more base oils. For my body oil, I have decided to use some sweet almond oil and some rose oil. Almond oil is my favorite base oil as it is well balanced and suits nearly all skin types. Then we add our essential oils. I use 7 drops of lavender oil, 2 drops of orange oil, 2 drops of ylang-ylang oil, and 2 drops of cinderwood oil. That's it. Our body oil is ready. Before use, shake well to blend it all together. Apply the body oil as soon as you jump out of the shower while your skin is still a little damp because the oil is more easily absorbed. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any health problem, please talk to your doctor before using essential oils. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.